Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be sharing with you what you need for a beautiful and smart looking skin this summer. So in order to come up with this recipe, the first ingredient you'll be needing will be carrots. You need that fresh glow to your skin. You need that radiant skin this summer to flaunt and feel so happy about it. And carrots are loaded with a lot of beta carotene to give you that fresh, healthy, beautiful skin from the inside, plus nourishing your skin with a lot of nutrients. It inhibits the production of excess pigmentation, leading to dark spots or dark areas concentrated on your skin, like your knees, your elbows, leaving your skin uniformly beautiful, plus leaving your skin looking so fresh. Prevents oxidative stress because it is highly rich in vitamin A for you to have a fresh looking skin without all the flappy or sagginess, stretching due to oxidative stress. So this leaves your skin looking so youthful, beautiful, and glowing. The second, which is very important for detoxification, cleansing of your system, so you can have that clean system from the inside, which reflects outerly, is cucumber. So I'll be adding in half a cucumber. This is to leave your skin hydrated, to give you that fresh, hydrated, beautiful skin from the inside. Plus, this helps you easily metabolize, so you end up with a good body size without gaining weight, but just looking smart and beautiful. So you need, if you like, you can blend with the peel, but I just like to have my drink looking all like just one color, like yellowish. So I don't want that greenish stuff, but this is okay. If you still want to keep the back of the cucumber, that is fine, but I just need it this way. You still get the fiber from here. So you just need to slice up and achieve good sizes that you can easily blend without taking a lot of space in your blender, and you're good to go. Your liver loves some cucumbers. These are alkalizing, have disease fighting properties to boost your immunity, for you to be strong and vibrant all summer without feeling weak, but just very active with beautiful skin and clean system as well from the inside. So this is it. Have a cucumber. You just wash thoroughly, as I mentioned earlier, slice, and voila, this is your second ingredient. So this is it, very clean, sliced, and yeah. So the next ingredient I'll be adding in here is very good for summer, very hydrating, and that is watermelon. This is very hydrating. This is so summer friendly because you need that hydration, that freshness to your skin. Plus, it contains a lot of vitamin A to prevent that oxidative stress that you get from exposing your skin to environmental UV rays. Like when I talk of that, I mean sunlight, all the environmental pollution from overexposing yourself out due to pollution from the air. This protects your skin from the inside, for you to always have that fresh looking skin all summer, and not just summer, through all the time. I'm just emphasizing because this is summer period, but all the time you want your skin to look so hydrated, fresh, beautiful, fight aging, so you can age and still look so youthful, but looking so fresh, like look so youthful and fresh. So this is it. You want to, when you slice up your watermelon, the back of that watermelon, you can give it to your boyfriend or husband. That is so good for men. So you don't want to throw it. Like you see, I'm not throwing it. You want to give it to your man, your boyfriend, your husband. That is so good for men. So this is it. You want to slice up like a quarter of your watermelon and set aside. And this is the third ingredient, very hydrating. The next ingredient, you can add in oranges or tangerines. If you don't have tangerines, you can use 2 oranges. That is still fine, very refreshing. You need that vitamin C, to freshen up your skin, give you that healthy, fresh, vibrant skin. Plus, smoothies like this made of fruits help you just maintain a good body size without gaining weight. Like going for recipes like this instead of all this, most especially summer period, you tend to want to drink a lot of pops or juices. So making yours yourself at home, which is healthy, can save you a lot of bad sugars in your system. So you want to make yours yourself at home and avoid all the bad sugars. And this is sweet, but this is good and moderated because of the cucumber in here. Like, these ingredients are carefully put together to easily break down any possible little sugar you can get from your foods, but not the bad processed sugar. So this will taste so sweet, so nice, but this is healthy for you rather than processed bad sugar. I hope you get what I'm trying to say. So you want to get your blender, put your ingredients in your blender, and blend to get a very smooth consistency. So there are two ways you can have this. I'll tell you when we finish blending up this. You see, I don't need to add any water if you're having it as a smoothie. So if you're to have this as a smoothie, you don't need to add water. But if you're having it as juice, you can add water and sieve later on. You can add in like 2 cups of water and you squeeze out to be juice later on. But I want it as kind of thick, juicy smoothie, not really too thick smoothie, but kind of, I need all those nutrients. Because if you ask me between juices and smoothies, I'll always go for smoothies. Juices at times just because I want to feel like I'm having that pop, but smoothies, like, this is so healthy, and you see it's not really thick, it's not light, but you get everything into your system. Nothing is strained out. Most especially if you are that person who is lazy to use your fiber later on, the pulp, you just want to blend it up like this, and so you get everything in your system. So this is so nourishing, very, very healthy. Most especially during this period, you want to freshen up your skin, leave your skin hydrated, plus put in drinks that will not make you gain a lot of weight, but rather leave you feel so refreshed, maintain a beautiful body size, like leave your skin looking so beautiful without adding sugars that will make you gain a lot of weight. We are running from weight gain. You want to consume things that will not make you gain weight, and all those sugary drinks you don't want to go for. You want to make yours healthy at home like this, and consume for that healthy body size, and always be healthy. As I always mention here, it is best to be proactive, treat your system, nourish your system, than wait till when you are sick because you've eaten the wrong kinds of foods. You start trying to amend things, whereas you could prevent situations like that. So make your own healthy juices, make your smoothies. I have a couple of the recipes, a lot of them, not a couple, a lot of them. You can alternate. Most especially go for the ones you can easily find the ingredients. That is why I make a variety for you to choose. Besides, you don't want to consume just one thing every day. This is a lifestyle change, not quick fixes or one day solution. It is a lifestyle change. Like, you want to treat your skin daily, not quick fixes. Like, today I want to take this for this day, and tomorrow I will not take it again just because I want to solve this. There is no one day solution. This thing is a lifestyle change. You want to be healthy. You want to go for healthy choices that will treat and maintain that beautiful skin for you. So I hope you get my message. I don't do one day remedies here. I don't know, some people call these remedies, but I call it lifestyle change. These are not remedies. This is a lifestyle change for to maintain a healthy, beautiful skin. So I hope you get my message. Yeah. Share the video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. And if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, don't forget to do so now by clicking the red subscribe button so you don't miss any of my uploads and you get to watch them on time. Bye.